Are you sure this is what you guys want to do?
Yes, this is what I want.
This is the best decision. You know, things could have been different if you would have just tried.
I did try, Chelsea, but everything I do isn't good enough for you.
This isn't about good enough. It's about showing up and caring.
You know she always wants everything her way. What about compromise? You ever think about that?
No, don't try to turn this on me. All right, is it wrong for me to want his attention? For him to just show up for me?
Oh, so I
and not just exist?
I just exist now.
Yes!
I'm always one step away from disappointing her.
You know, if you can't understand what I'm trying to say, then maybe...
Maybe we're just too different.
Maybe we are.
So, I guess it's finally over.
I guess so.
Okay. Please sign here for me.
This must happen to you a lot.